Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and actually today in South Africa it's actually a holiday. So, but I think maybe from like US and other countries there is not actually an official holiday. As I can see, the market is actually moving or going up and down, but just know that I don't think maybe we're gonna see some very nice moves. I think the market will just try to play games, trying to consolidate. But yeah, we can still do the analysis. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and you know what? We reached that 5K. I've been talking about that. We reached that 5K. So for everyone who wants to join the team, there is the packages if you want 12-month signals, if you want prime EA, that is the prices, then just try to talk to me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, let's go without wasting your time. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. I think that price is actually, yeah, but it's fine. So what's really happening? We can easily see that the market is doing what? It's pushing up. This is GBP USD. The market is pushing to the upside. On a bigger time frame, I hope you did watch. On a bigger time frame, we can see that on top there is actually a resistance. But let me just show you on a daily time frame so that you can understand what I'm trying to show you. You see, this is the daily time frame, and we can see that since the market started pushing lower, the market never break this area. You see this area of resistance. The market did not actually go back and break this resistance, but I'm expecting the market to come there again. You can see the market is going back to touch this area and continue. Yes, there is a chance for the market to do what? To break out there, but currently we have a very nice structure that we can try to look or to check actually on a bit smaller time frame. Let's say 4 hours and see. On the 4 hours, we have a very nice straightforward uptrend. But just know that once the market touches this resistance, we expect the market to do what? To push lower, as the bigger picture is actually still on a downtrend, even though we have this smaller uptrend. So now, from where we are now, I think maybe the market might push up, might break this structure. You can see the market was creating some very nice move. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen here to push the upside. So if I try to go closer, let's see. Let's try to see. Yeah, you can see that the market is been like playing around this game, because I did place this actually this buy pending order there. Actually, I think it was Friday, but you can see that the market never actually created any type of a push, and you can see that we still have something here as a resistance. So we're waiting for that resistance to be broken, then we can say the market will be pushing to the upside. This is GBP USD, by the way. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I think it's also straightforward. So let me just try. Let me just try to zoom out. So what's really happening? We have a very nice structure, by the way. We have a very nice slow uptrend. Do you see that? We have this trend here, which is actually doing what? Which is actually a bit slower. But after that, we see the market starting to be aggressive, pushing to the upside. And as I always repeat, just know that mostly when you see this type of aggressive uptrend, just know that mostly the market won't keep up with that. The market can still sell off before continuing, so the market won't actually sustain this trend. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To sell off but still continue with the trend. I think when you draw the trend there, you can see that that is very steep, so mostly the market won't continue, actually won't sustain that, or actually the market won't keep up with this type of a trend. I hope you see that. So besides that, let's go closer and see what's really happening. When we go closer again, we can see that, oh, we have a trend, That was actually very nice. We have a trend which you can see that it's trying to create something like that. But mostly the market does what? The market consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up. Here is a consolidation. Let me show you that. It's also a consolidation. I will just make it like this. Do you see that? So this will be like this. It's fine like this. So you can see that we have a consolidation, push up, as we are on an uptrend. Don't forget that. Push up, consolidate, then the market is pushing up, but we don't know if maybe the market will break this area. But yes, there is enough chance for the market to do what? To break this area before and start to consolidate again. But at the end of the day, when I say consolidate, push up, that is actually a very nice uptrend. Something like this. Then when you draw the trend, it makes sense and you will start to find those consolidation. And if you know that it's actually an opportunity, you can buy several times here, you can buy around this area. I hope you see that. So anyways, we are still on this uptrend, but here currently the market is consolidating. There's a chance for the market to come back around the support before pushing to the upside. Yes, if it breaks that resistance, we also going to do what? To look for that buy positions. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is USDJPY. What's really happening? You can see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice downtrend. I tried to show you several times. You can see that there is a downtrend there. There is a trend that we actually checking, and it seems like the market is doing what? The market was actually respecting that. Remember when I said the market consolidate on that uptrend. On the downtrend, the market will consolidate, push lower, consolidate, push lower. And sometimes it doesn't really have to be perfect. Remember, even if it does consolidate, we are still on a downtrend. So we can sometimes have maybe structure like this. Don't just expect consolidation only. So, but here what I see is, I think the market consolidated very nice. Do you see that? I see another one here. It doesn't really have to be perfect. I see another one here. I see another one which might form here. So this helps us to know or to understand that there is a chance for the market to do what? To reach this area and sell. Even here, once you understand the structures, they're going to help you and not to miss some very nice trades. So currently, I'm just waiting for the market to reach this area, as this might, it's actually our previous support. Then maybe the market will do what? Push lower. Then we take those opportunities. But currently, the market is just stuck. The market is very slow, so don't expect much from the market. Don't expect too much from the market. The market is actually very slow. Actually, most traders or investors, they just went on leave for now, just to focus on other things, family and friends and stuff like that. So now we are on gold. What's really happening? There's nothing much actually. Since we reached this bottom, rock bottom there, the market started to push the upside. So let's see. This is an area also. Do you see that? But what we see here is we are actually on an uptrend. We are actually on a trend which is uptrending. The market is uptrending. We already drawn our support line, and we see very well that the market is creating something like this. That is a perfect, very nice uptrend. So but now we are around that area. So let's go there and try to see. So now what we see is the market does what? Touches this area before pushing up. I think last Friday I did smash this one, but I went out very early because of the power or the load shading. So what I see is the market does what? Around this area is also some sort of consolidation. So I'm expecting the market to touch this resistance, maybe to come back, or maybe to break that and push the upside. That is also possible, you see. So, but yeah, we are on an uptrend. So I think maybe we won't actually have some crazy moves. All these moves, they're just going to be like bit slower, So yeah, we are on US oil. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening here on US oil? You can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on a downtrend. We also identified our resistance on top there, but we see that yes, the market along the way is trying to change the direction, but that's how the market moves. So if we go closer there, we will see that we have a very nice structure. Let's see. We have a structure. You see that? This is what I'm expecting. And that structure doesn't mean that we're gonna go on full force, like a perfect uptrend. No, the market might be just recovering. Then, if it touches this area, then we might see the market selling. Or if maybe the market will respect the previous previous resistance, which I see here, there is a chance for the market to touch that area, actually, to after then push lower, something like that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So yeah, let's push. Guys, join the team. You can join the team. Unfortunately, I don't really have the slides here, but actually, I wanted to show you the normal prices as we have, but it's fine. Just contact me if you want to be part of the team. Oh, sorry. Just tired. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? So I will just go closer here because I've been talking about the downtrend. So after the uptrend, the last uptrend that we had, you can see the market was pushing to the upside. After that, we see that the market is starting to do what? To change the direction. I think now the market wants to do what? The market wants to push the lower side. Do you see that? I think the market wants to push to the lower side. That's what I see. So yeah, and if maybe starting to push the lower side, we see that because we had a very nice support, which we thought maybe the market will push the upside. You see, after we had that aggressive move, the market created this sort of a support structure there. Then we expected the market to do what? To keep pushing up, just to say that it's actually on that uptrend. But the market did not actually respect that much. We see the market doing what? Breaking that area. And I see that the market is actually on this resistance or previous support. Now there is a chance for the market to do what? To push to the lower side. If that happens, I will be watching, then I will send the signal in the group. But what I know is the market might be very, very, very slow. So something like this might happen. Something like this might happen as the market has been respecting that area. You can see the market has been respecting this area. So the market can consolidate here and still push lower. Then we continue with that. Do you see that? So as I don't really want to make this video very long, let's quickly go on NASDAQ, which is the last one. What's really happening on this one? I think everything's still straightforward. It seems like this year the market will close on the lowest. So what's really happening? Yes, we can easily see that we are still on that downtrend. We identified our resistance areas very nice here. You can see that we have a very nice structure there on top. Just to say, you know what, we are still actually following the bearish move or that downtrend. So what I see is, I see that actually, you see, I'm still expecting the market to go lower, but I was expecting the market maybe to push a little bit high. I was expecting the market to push a little bit higher, like maybe here, before we see another sell. So where it is now, I think it's not actually safe for us to say let's sell. I think if it doesn't really push up, we can wait for the market to break this support before we take that sell, because whatever that happens here, we are actually on the middle of this consolidation. The market might create something like that, so it's not going to be safe to sell here. The market can still push up, something like that. So I hope you understand that. So yes, I'm still bearish, but I'm just waiting for a nice structure to happen before I say I'm going to take that sell. I can see the market is trying to push up. but sometimes be patient and follow the structures. Don't follow whatever that you think. Follow what you see on the structure, and if it makes sense on the chart, then you can do that. But if it just makes sense in your head, but the strategy or the lines, they don't really make sense. Like currently, the structures tell us that we have a resistance and support, which means whatever that happens here is in the center. We're not going to take any action. We're going to take action around this area where the market will bounce back very quick. Simple as that. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.